Hey everyone, it's time for a brand new weekly video of the cutest pets and funny animals.
You can do it! Oh.
My dog, what's good with you? Hey, dab me up. Yeah, I'll see you around wet.
Either. It takes a long time to produce content. So when you finish, if you have
Hey, you know this is my seat.
Hello. I was wondering if I could order 1 attentions, please. It doesn't have to be in a size large. It can be whatever size you have available. Thank you.
Squishy! Hey, Squishy! Feel the cheek, Squishy.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. Where'd you go to med school? Thanks.
Dude, look, these bears are French kissing! What the fuck?
Let's practice this one new, okay? The gun. Remember this new one. Look. Zipper, look at me. Pia, pia, pia! Shit!
Uh-oh, what is this? I've just come home and there's loads of foam under the door. Obi, oh my god. Obi! Have you eaten Tessie's bed, Obi? You're a very naughty boy. You're a very naughty boy, Obi.
What is he doing?
Oh, they're coming out with the fire.
Something we do not talk about enough is whenever a cat is trying to catch a bug and their owner is helping them and the cat like completely understands the assignment.
Yeah, it's hard. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Look at those contractions. Yeah. Yeah. Are we gonna have these babies tonight? What do you think? You wanna have these babies right away? Get them out of your tummy?
Hey, that's not yours.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he's like, oh my god.
It's like a dog.
He's gonna attack.
Oh my god. Dude, this is my pole. Let go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't like you anymore.
Big Daddy. Go get it. Go get it. Oh my gosh. It ate it.
Headbutt. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, buddy.
Oh, it's scared.
Oh. You guys all know what I sound like when I talk to him.
Go, go, go.
Is he drinking it?
Baba, Paul. Thank you.
Totally passed out in this bucket.
Ajde, Herkules, idemo se šetati, dođi. Idemo se šetati, ajde.
Oh, you're so
Nah, bro, you wanted to come in, right? Cooking, isn't it? That shit rocking. I know. You wish you would have never walked in, didn't you?
I don't like how you're looking at me like that.